Machines that can make you money anywhere you are in the world is what I'm talking to you about in this video. Machines that can make you money in Nigeria or anywhere you are in the world. Hello everyone, welcome. There are machines that make money away from you, and there are machines that bring money into your pocket. In this video, I will share with you some machines that you can buy and start making money with them. The last two machines will surprise you. Let's get started. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like this video. Number one machine on my list is vending machine. Vending machine is not so popular in Nigeria because of light issue, but you can install solar panels and have uninterrupted power supply. You may be one of the first set of persons who will try it out in Nigeria, and I bet you on it that you will sell like Kilode. You will vend drinks and some biscuits and snacks in it for a start. Get some busy places and pronto, business is up. CityServe in Nigeria sell vending machines in Nigeria. You can contact them via cityserve.com to get the price and to get one for yourself. Number two machine on my list is grinding machine. This is not blender. This is more than blender. People want to grind pepper, they want to grind corn, they want to grind millet, they want to grind cassava, they want to grind wheat and many other such food items. But the money from this one is daily. You can get a petrol or diesel powered one, and you can also get one that you will power with solar. You can get a good grinding machine in Nigeria with an average of 200,000 naira. Number three machine that you can make money with in Nigeria or anywhere in the world is 3D printer. 3D printer is another machine that you can get and make money from. You design and print different designs that can be used for publicity, advertisement, or some special events. Note that you will need to have your standby source of power if you are doing this business in Nigeria. Talking about solar, I made a video on March 7 where I spoke about the best solar installer in Nigeria. Check that video out and contact the expert I mentioned in that video. With an average of $2,500, you will get a good 3D printer. Number four machine you can buy in Nigeria or any other place in the world and begin to make money is ice block machine. This is a well-known money spinner in Nigeria. If you do what is required, you can be smiling to the bank with this business. I have made more than 20 videos explaining how this business can be started and run. Please check my ice block playlist on this channel. With an average of 2.5 million naira, you will get a good ice block machine. Number five is drone. If you are a lover of adventure, drone photography or drone videography can be a good source of income for you. Many people love the scene and master pics and videos generated from the area views with drones. Don't dull yourself on this one. Just make sure you abide by the drone regulations operating in your locality. With an average of 200,000, you will get a good drone equipment. Number six is motorcycle. This is a daily money spinner in developing countries and even in developed climes. The two-wheeler or bike can be a petrol-powered one or electric. You can use it to transport people and get paid. You can use it to make deliveries for people or even companies. With 250,000 naira, you can get a good motorcycle, also called two-wheeler. Number seven machine, landscaping equipment or machine. Many people desire a good landscape and a good environment. They will pay you well to use your machine to mow their lawn and also to help maintain their landscape. This applies in developed countries as well as in the developing ones. This equipment can be categorized into lawnmower, hedge and tree trimmer, weed trimmer, power washer, ladder, chainsaw, snow plows and snow blowers. leaf blowers too, and so on and so forth. With 500,000 naira, you can get a good mower. Number 8 machine is crypto miner. Crypto mining machine can help you make money. With this machine, you earn on autopilot. You don't need to do anything, just buy the machine and set it up and put some things there, and the machine keeps working and keep working on the crypto network, and then you are going to make money. With the machine, you earn on autopilot while the machine is working. Electricity cost can be a drawback, but again, you can seek alternatives like solar. With 7 million naira, you will get a good crypto machine, and you can find out there are other machines that are less than that, and there are some that are more than that. Number 9 is vehicle rental or transport business. A vehicle of any type can be referred to as a machine too. You can rent out vehicles. You can drive people around town, or you can get a driver to drive and deliver to you. Make sure you know the driver well and you have a system in place where you give before you give out your vehicle to any driver. With a budget of 4 million naira, you can get a good vehicle in Nigeria today. Number 10 is tractor and farm machines. Wow, these ones are crazy. Many people have farms with no tractor or other farm machines to help ease the work for them. They want to pay, but the available ones are in use elsewhere or are bad. Anyone or group of persons who go into this business in Nigeria will be smiling to the bank. Please don't forget, I gave you this idea. Remember me in your financial kingdom. Tractor will cost about 9 million or more. Consider a mini tractor if you can't go for the larger tractor. Number 11 machine is a cargo vehicle. This is another great one. If you are in a commercial town like Lagos, Kano, Aba, and most cities in Nigeria or elsewhere in the world, then you are good to go with cargo vehicle. You help people to transport their cargo, goods and products, and you get paid. So you budget 7 million naira or more for the cargo vehicle. Number 12 is sticker making machines. People love stickers of different types. When I was in school in the university, I got some small stickers for all my notebooks from a bookshop in town. Children and adults will buy good stickers every time. This is where the sticker making machine business comes in. Keep expanding and keep making it. Number 13 is DJ equipment. This can be a money spinner for you. Many events hold every weekend. Let people know you through adverts, and they will keep coming to rent your equipment while you smile at the bank a lot. With 1 million naira, you should be able to get to start something. Number 14 is a camera. This can make you some cool money in various ways. You can snap and make money through events like weddings, parties, naming ceremonies, graduation ceremony, and many others. You can create an Instagram profile using your photos. You can make money on YouTube by making videos with your camera. One easy and attractive channel idea is random interviews on the street. Check the blog and YouTube playlist on my channel to know more about YouTube. With 500,000 naira, you will get a good camera in Nigeria. By the way, I am available to train you on how to start a YouTube channel. With 100,000 naira, and in 3 months, I will train you, I will put you through, and in that 3 months, you have nothing less than 50 videos on your channel, and from there, I release you to keep grinding and to keep moving. Number 15 is construction equipment. Some builders don't have building tools handy. They know how to build, but they don't have the tools that they need to build. They have a contract, but they do not have the equipment. So you rent out construction equipment. So some builders depend on renting from nearby sources. Some builders have their own machines for building, but due to distance, they prefer to rent near the site where they go to work. There are heavy and light construction equipment that are in use. Choose the one you desire and start. The price depends on what you want to buy. Number 16 is ice cream machine and ice cream truck. This can be mind-blowing. You station the machine at a good, busy and great location where buyers with purchasing power are. They will keep coming and you will keep getting the credit a lot. Number 17 is popcorn machine. Just a little corn and then you have a lot of pops. That is how popcorn machine works. Get a busy location and get a good source of power and business has started. Popcorn is good for health according to experts. It's good for the aged to exercise their teeth and their jaws. It's good for everyone. You get the machine, make the popcorn, sell and get paid. Number 18 machine is food truck or snack truck. This is similar to the ice cream truck. So in some cases, the ice cream truck goes together with the ice cream machine. So it's a two-in-one. You sell your food in trucks and then people also buy ice cream by the side. So the ice cream machine and the ice cream truck can go together. So you are selling ice cream, you are also selling food. Number 19 is a laptop. You can sell your skill online via your laptop. Just typing for people. You can make money from that. You can make money by producing content for people. This content that I'm reading out to you now, I penned it down about 2 hours ago. And I sat down, I looked for my memory, I wrote some, and I checked some online. So you can be a content writer for people. And if you're a content writer, you need a laptop on which to type and to send the content to them. So if you're a YouTuber or a blogger and you need content for your YouTube, content for your blog, contact me and we can do business. I will write your blog content and I will write your YouTube content for you. You can land remote jobs also and many more with a good laptop. Number 20 machine, which is the last but not the least, is mobile phone. This may sound funny, but yes, mobile phone is a machine that people are using to make money. I know a guy who makes money from WhatsApp marketing. He will help people display their stuff on his WhatsApp status for 24 hours, and I think he gets paid 1,500 for that. So just for displaying your what you want to advertise on my own WhatsApp status, I get paid. So he keeps posting on WhatsApp in status. People keep coming, and then adverts can also be there. So look at that and create your advert and you are good to go. So many other money making ways exist by using your mobile phone. As I round up on this video, let me know the machines you already have from the ones I have listed here above. Also, let me know the machines you plan to have from this list I have given you. Also, let me know the machines you have that are not on my list here. Please help others by sharing these videos with them. If you are looking for scholarship, check Scholarship Advert YouTube channel for some help. Please subscribe to this channel, share this video and the link of this video, and also like this video. My name is Dr. Olugbenga Adetutun, and I am the one bringing you content on this channel. I will talk to you in the next video. Start something today and thank me later. Bye-bye.